Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue learning Matplotlib, a library used to create a wide variety of visualizations. So our very first program is to create random arrays with 100 values for x points, y points, colors and sizes. So first we will import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. We will also import numpy as np. Now let's start. x.random dot rand int and then parenthesis 100, then size is equal to 100, and we will copy this, then y is equal to this, and then colors and sizes. Size is equal to 10 into this. So x will have 100 random numbers between 0 to 100. That is, one by one it will take one random number from 0 to 100 times, and same for y. Then colors and sizes will be 10 times of this. Then we will write plot.scatter x comma y comma c is equals to colors comma s is equal to sizes, alpha which tells the transparency is equal to 0.5, and then our color map be this spectral. Then plt dot color bar, and then we will show this plt dot show. Alright, so let's run this program. It might take some time to load sometimes. So you can see 100 different dots with different color. Transparency is 0.5 as we had set, and this is the color map. So the next thing is to create a bar graph. Bars. Now first thing is to draw 4 bars in the bar graph. So for this, first we'll write x is equal to np dot array and a, then b, then c and d, because we have to draw 4 bars. Parentheses should be here. Then we will write y is equal to np dot array on parenthesis square bracket, then 3 comma 8 comma 1 comma 10, any random numbers we have taken, and then plt dot bar x comma y, then plt dot show. So let's see the results, and you can see there are 4 graphs here and 4 bars here, a, b, c and d, with different y coordinates as we had set. Like this is 3, this is 8, this one is 1, and this is 10. Okay, so let's move to another one. Let's see one more graph. Any random one, maybe for apples, apples, bananas, and y is equal to 400, 370, and then plt dot bar x, y, plt dot show. So you can see two bars, one of apple, one of banana, and as we had said, this is 400 and this is 370. Now let us draw horizontal bars. Horizontal bars. For this, we can just copy it from here. Rather, we can copy the whole program. Because x and y can be same, and just the thing to change is this: instead of bar we need to write bar h, and it will create a horizontal bar graph. So you can see this is a horizontal bar graph. Now if you want to change the color of this, you can just write color is equal to red. So you can see it has been shown in red color. Now the next thing is bar width. So for width you can just write here width is equal to 0.1. It should be bar here. So you can see width is 0.1 now. The default width value is 0.8. For horizontal bars we can use height instead of width. It was showing error because it was written bar h here, which means horizontal, and horizontal one will not have width, instead it will have height. Okay, so the next program is to make a histogram. So histogram is a graph showing frequency distributions. Let us make one sample histogram. np.random.normal 170, 10 to 50, and then plt dot hist x and plt dot show. Let's run this. So you can see a histogram is made as shown here. Now the next thing is to create a pie charts. So let's comment this, and now we will be creating pie charts. So we can say y equals to np.array 35, 25, 19, 40, plt.py and plt.show. Why I missed this? So you can see a pie chart according to the values we had given. So the size of each which is determined by comparing the value with all the other values by using this formula: x upon sum of all x. So sum of all values is in the denominator and x is the value we have given for each one of them. So if we need to create pie chart with labels, okay, so maybe we can create in this only pie charts with labels. So we can just write here labels is equal to my labels, and my labels can be created here. My labels is equal to apple, banana, cherries, lychee, and we can run this. So you can see apple, lychee, cherries and banana all are labeled here. Next thing we will learn is start angle. So it is measured in angles and default angle is 0. So if we want start angle to be 90, we can write here start angle is 90. So you can see this start angle is 90 from x-axis, so it has been started from this one. If I show you both of them, then you can see this, and we can just remove the start angle from here. I haven't closed this. Okay. I think only one is shown at this time. So you can see start angle is this. There is a horizontal line here. Whereas if we see the second one, it will be like this. Okay. So you can see twice. So you can see one is this like this, and other is like this. So the next thing, if we want to pull the apple's wedge 0.2 from the center of the pie, then what should we do? We can just take the same data and first uncomment this, and then we can write my explode is equal to 0.2 and let it be 0 for all others. Then plt dot py phi comma explode is equal to my explode, and then we will show this. So you can see here clearly that this one is exploded, that is, it is not, it has been displaced from its place. We can even add shadow to this. For example, shadow is equal to 2. T should be capital, Python is case sensitive. Now if you see, you can see the shadow here. We can add colors to this according to us. Like we can add here my colors is equal to black, hot pink, yellow, blue, and here we will write colors is equal to my colors. So you can see different colors according to what we have said: black, hot pink, yellow and blue. We can also add a list of explanation for this if we just write plt.legend, and if you just remove all of this, we can add the labels. Labels is equal to my labels, and here we go. So you can see here the legend, that is the details or the explanations are written here, like this color is for apple, banana, cherry, lychee and all. We can also add a header to the legend and add the title parameter to it. For example, we can write title is equal to fruits, and if we see this, you can see a title is created here, that is fruits. So thanks for watching. This was all for this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Happy coding.